solutions remotely.
Need your carpet or tile looking great for a special holiday party? We have Zero Res a car. Zero Res technicians are cleaning brakes.
One of the easiest ways to offer local kids a great Christmas is through Jewish Family and Community Services. Help us make this holiday season shine. Jewish Family and Community Services. Here for giving, here for Jax.
Donate at jfcsjax.org.
It's the time of year to give thanks, and this year, more than ever, Overhead Garage Doors of Jacksonville is thankful for our customers for all of their support. We are thrilled to continue to be a leading provider of high-quality garage doors and provide our customers with both security and design. To get your free estimate, visit ohdoorjacksonville.com. Overhead Garage Doors of Jacksonville, the original garage door.
Are you suffering from shoulder pain? If you have clicking and popping in the shoulder joint, persistent pain that intensifies with use, an inability to lift your arm over your head, or a tingling, burning sensation in the shoulder, elbow, or wrist, waiting to see a doctor could make your injury worse. Baptist Health and Jacksonville Orthopedic Institute have innovative and effective treatment options available right now to relieve your pain and restore your mobility. Don't wait. Call 904-JOI-2000.
This is attorney Matt Mercer, host of Matt Mercer Live on WOKV. Set your smartphone reminder to tune in Saturday nights at 6 as we cover it all. Cool legal strategies, legal news, and I'll help you make sense out of the law. Saturday nights at 6 p.m. on 104.5 WOKV.
104.5 WOKV wants you to shop the 904. And by doing that, you keep most of the money and jobs right here on the First Coast. Plus, local businesses give our community its uniqueness and character that makes living on the First Coast so great. Shop the 904. The weather meter is brought to you by Beard's Diamonds. It's Beard's Diamonds 40th anniversary sale. Save up to 40% off store-wide till November 30th.
Now, the 3 big things you need to know.
Delays, Orange Park, heads up. We are continuing to follow these. Be listening for updates from the First Alert traffic team landing in Youngerman Circle. Dow Jones Industrial Average hit a record high on the optimism from Moderna's announcement of its 94.5% efficacy in its preliminary coronavirus vaccine data. Top story this morning criticizing President Trump for refusing to concede defeat. Joe Biden says more Americans could die of the coronavirus in months ahead. It's 8:18.
This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's news and talk.
I'm Jeremy Ratliff.
And I'm Hannah Lee. One woman has been killed and one man is in the hospital following a shooting this morning. Police say that the man is expected to be okay. The shooting occurred near the McCoy Creek. Right now, police believe the suspect was traveling in a black Chevy car and there is no threat to the community.
WOKV News Time is 8:19.
We'll continue to follow that search. It's a black Chevy Impala. We'll continue to follow updates as we learn them from the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. It's one of many stories we'll work an update for you this morning. The other broke yesterday morning in the Oakleaf area. The search still ongoing for a man believed to be connected to a deadly shooting. That story, his description, including a photo, at WOKV.com. Weather and traffic every 6 minutes. Here's CBS 47 Fox 30 Action News Jax Chief Meteorologist Mike Burrish.
Breezy today, but lots of sun. High of 72, a 9 on the WOKV weather meter. Mostly clear tonight, mid to upper 40s, and mostly sunny and cool tomorrow. It'll be breezy, a high of just 67. Thursday, partly cloudy and breezy with an isolated brief shower or two. Highs near 70 degrees, and Friday and Saturday turn warmer. It'll be partly cloudy with a brief shower or two still coming in off the Atlantic, and highs a little bit either way, about 75 both days. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Burrish. Join me today beginning at 5 p.m. on CBS 47 and Fox 30 Action News Jax.
Winds are relatively calm right now, blowing out of the northwest at about 12 miles an hour, closer to the beaches, 54 degrees.